Hello viewers, today I came with a subject of Asme, American Society for Mechanical Engineers, about the boiler and pressure vessel code, very basic know-how. What are the types of Asme codes we have? They are dealing with which aspects or which field. What is a pressure vessel, by the way? A pressure vessel is a closed container designed to hold fluid, that means gases and liquid, at a pressure substantially different from the ambient pressure. Now let us see what are the sections of ASME we have to deal with different types of scenarios. ASME section 1 is for power boilers. ASME section 2, it deals with the material specifications. Part A is for the ferrous material, Part B for non-ferrous, Part C for welding rods, electrodes and filler metals. ASME section 3 is the subsection NCA, that means general requirement for division 1 and division 2. The division 1 is subsection NB class 1 components, subsection NC class 2 component, subsection ND for class 3 components, subsection NE for class MC component, subsection NF component supports, subsection NG code support structures appendices. Division 2 is code for concrete reactor, vessels and containment. ASME section 4 is for the heating boilers. ASME section 5 non-destructive examination. ASME section 6 recommended rules for care and operation of heating boilers. ASME section 7 is recommended guidelines for care of power boilers. ASME section 8 pressure vessel division 1 and division 2. Finally, ASME section 9 is for welding and brazing qualifications. This is an extensively used international standard being used by almost all of the industries, construction areas. In our case, it is extensively used for piping and pipeline construction to qualify our welding procedures as well as the welder qualification. ASME section 10 is for fiber and reinforcement plastic pressure vessels. ASME section 11 rules for in-service inspection of nuclear power plant components. Let us discuss ASME section 9, where we can use ASME section 9. For the production welding, we are using to qualify our WPS. To qualify our WPS, we need to run a procedure qualification record as per ASME section 9. For qualifying a procedure qualification record, we need to arrange a test coupon. Then we need to prepare a pre-WPS. After welding, the test coupon go through non-destructive and destructive testing. After the welding procedure has been qualified with ASME section 9, then we need to run welding and operator qualification, and we need to document it to use it at our site. WPS and welding performance qualification is discussed in QW 200. A WPS is a written and qualified welding procedure prepared to provide direction for making production welds to code requirements. A WPS can be supported by one or multiple PQRs. WPS format is also available in ASME section 9 in QW 482. It contains the essential, non-essential and supplementary essential variables for welding. Whenever there is any change in essential variables, it has to be requalified through ASME section 9 again. Process qualification record. It is described in QW 200.2. A PQR is a record of welding data used to weld a test coupon. PQR format available in QW 483 contains our essential variable test results or test coupon. Change in PQR is not permitted except for some revisional changes or some typo error. The PQR format and WPS format is more or less similar. Only PQR recorded the actual data. WPS is having the tolerance minimum and maximum welding parameters. Welding positions are described in QW 121, 122, 131, 132 from QW 461.2 to 461.6. Groove oils 1G, 2G, 4G for both pipe and plate. The positions 3G for plate only. Positions 5G and 6G for pipe only. Fillet wells 1F, 2F, 4F is for both pipe and plate. 3F is for plate. 5F and 2FR is for pipe only. Essential variable, a change in welding condition which will affect the mechanical properties other than the notch toughness of weld joint. Supplementary essential variable, a change in welding condition which will affect the notch toughness properties of the joint, and non-essential variable, a change in welding condition which will not affect the mechanical properties of the welding joint. P number, we can find this table for assigning the base metal dependent on composition, weldability, mechanical property. F number is the filler metal number. A number is the weld analysis number. So this was very basic what type of help we can get while qualifying our welding procedures, which has to be used for piping, pipeline, whatever, for construction or for permanent manufacturing. We can discuss each and every section in detail later on. For now, I'm ending here. If you like, please share and subscribe my channel to get early notification for any new video I'm posting. Thanks. Signing off, Showman.